Hello guys, welcome back to my channel at ito po naka-alongside yung barko natin here in Lerwick, UK, specifically here in Shetland Islands. So bali we are carrying out mobilization and demobilization operation. So pag sinabi po natin ng demobilization, that is the operation when we are going to offload some of the offshore equipments and other equipments that's been used during the offshore operation in the oil field. And pag sinabi naman natin ng mobilization, yun naman yung pagkakarga natin ng mga equipment, at the same time crew change o personnel that's gonna be working in the offshore, pati na yung pagkakarga ng tubig, pagkakarga ng fuel, at the same time pagkakarga po ng provision. Pag sinabi natin provisioning, yun po yung pagkakarga ng pagkain. So we are loading on provisions intended for a month operation. So ilan po yung pinapakain ng mayor natin? So marami, that's around between 80 to 90 personnel yung pinapakain po ng mayor natin every meal. So ang operation po dito is round the clock, 24 hours. May mga duty ng alas 6 hanggang alas 6 ng hapon, may mga nagjo-duty ng from 12 to 12. It's a round the clock operation po. Yan po.